Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。Alice 有没有觉得我心情还不错啊？
感觉很好
因为你知道下个月就已经是年底了哦，要准备要去旅游啊，
要放长假哦。
当然要啊，
真的哦。
Christmas 要到了呢。出国啊，其实很开心，但有的时候就会还没准备好，心里会很担心，对不对？
对啊，有的人都出国前一天才带东西。
我就是喜欢这样。Anyways, we are teaching you the phrase 还没 not yet, and today we're going to put you in a situation where you're going to go abroad, you're going to travel, vacation, but you haven't packed up yet, okay? How do you say not yet 还没？
很忙。
很忙 Okay, that means 还没 not yet. 明天就要出国了，行李还没准备好啊。I'm going abroad tomorrow and I haven't packed yet. 怎么说呢？
天公日。
天公日。
就要出國咧。
就要出國咧。
行李很忙。
行李很忙。
準備好。
準備好，行李很忙，就是行李做很慢的呢。
每次要到出国前一天，这个也没准备，那个也没准备，结果呢都被骂。
对，但我懂了，行李就是行李 ，That's luggage, and then 很忙 is the phrase we're teaching, not yet, and then 准备好就是
準備好。
準備好 I haven't prepared packing yet, OK？ 最重要的呢，就是要提醒
護照。
没错，最重要的護照要記得帶哦。
青葱要嘅，
青葱要嘅
護照，
護照
要記得帶哦，
要記得帶哦，要記得帶哦，這聽得懂嗎？ That means the last part is you gotta remember to bring it.
最重要的青葱要嘅，
對 the most important thing is your 護照，叫做護照。Okay, yeah, gotta have that in your pocket no matter what, okay? So the last phrase we want to teach you is 天啊，差點就忘記了 Oh my goodness, I almost forgot.
阿妹愛，
阿妹愛 That means oh my goodness, right? OMG 的意思。
差一些咧，
差一些咧，
就唔記得咧，
就唔記得咧 OK 就差點忘記了，對不對？唔記得咧。好 let's review some of these phrases such as your luggage 行李
行李
and then your passport 護照
護照
OK 然後我覺得很好玩的是教大家再講一次怎麼說天哪 OMG
阿妹愛
阿妹愛 that means oh my goodness OK you can use that anytime you want to and it's all about teaching you not yet the phrase is
很忙
Okay now you know and have a good time traveling that does today's Practical Hakka
是母太家
俺只識張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.